Today, we're gonna do a few jobs over there with the chickens. Gotta gather up some leaves from out here, and I'm gonna put them inside of the chicken run, pile it up, let them jump in there. They're gonna do their thing, y'all see that. And I'm gonna gather some dry leaves out here and put it on the ground. It rained yesterday, so, try to dry it up for them and have some more leaves for them to compost down. But right now I'm doing one of my favorite things I like to do is my little burn barrel. But yeah, I burn my old feed bags. This kind of feed I give my chickens, no soy, no corn. If I don't give them this, I definitely give them organic feed. So that's what we're doing today. Y'all can just watch me work, I guess. Let's get it. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is rake and shovel all this into this compost bin. Make a little pile. Still wet. Like that, and now just fill it up. And so, like I said, all these are leaves and old food scraps I put in here. And like I said, they're gonna jump in and out of this thing. I got two of these actually, but eventually I'm gonna take this house up and move these down here, build a whole new run to where they can jump in that and dump my food in that. As y'all can see, all these leaves broken down, a bunch of worms in there. All this was on the floor, so that's some nice soil. See that? Worms, so all that. So now, see, then they hop in and they see what's going on. They scratch around. I know you want to get up there. Come on, come on up there. Come on, come on. Get up there. Get up there. But yeah, that's how I normally do it. So. Come on up there. There you go. Come on. Don't be shy. Get on up there. Don't be scared. There you go. There you go. So yeah, they scratch around in there. So I'm gonna start throwing my food waste in here so they can start scratching around. I'll probably turn this, I don't know, in the next couple of weeks. All right, but let's get this whole run back filled with more leaves. All right, let's get all these leaves from my little forest area, which soon is gonna be where the goats and my new chickens come and just roam. After I re-fence it for goats, I know they can get out of this. All I got is chicken wire wrapped around here. But once I re-fence it, we'll be in business. But yeah, I just take these leaves, fill that up, and dump it right on over. I don't worry about spreading it out because they're gonna do it. That's the beauty of chickens. So just dump it and let them spread it out. Any greens, any bugs, they're gonna go through that and find it. So do that about 4 or 5 more times, and we should be good in here. But yeah, that's that. Look who decided to show up. That's my gato. He don't know how to stay home. Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him. All right, so we're gonna check back in a few weeks or maybe a few months, and all the leaves that's inside the run area should be nice, broken up and broken down a little bit. And then we're gonna do the same thing again. Turn that around. By that time, all the leaves and their poop, all that should be broken down. And then all the leaves on the floor, we're gonna put back into there. So y'all stay tuned. Have some more episodes for y'all. Show y'all what else we got going on out here. We appreciate y'all tuning in. And y'all make sure y'all use them leaves in y'all yard. All right.